In today's video, we'll be sharing with you this delicious challah bread recipe. Welcome to Tasty and Quick Recipes. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications if you enjoyed this video. For this recipe, you will need 2 cups of sifted flour, 2 egg yolks, 1 cup of warm milk, 2 tablespoons of melted butter, 1 egg, a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of sugar, and 1 tablespoon of yeast. To the warm milk, add in the sugar and yeast and mix until combined. Cover and set aside. In a bowl, add in the flour, salt, and whisk until completely distributed. Once mixed, add in the egg yolks, and the yeast mixture and mix until the dough starts to form. While mixing, slowly add in the butter. We're going to take our dough out onto a floured surface and knead into a smooth ball. We're going to cover our dough with the bowl. Let rest for 50 minutes. Separate the dough into 6 equal parts. Shape each piece of dough into a long snake shape. We're going to pinch together all the strands at the top to make them nice and secure and divide into 2 sections of 3. You're going to take the 2 outermost strands and cross them over each other, taking the strand that's on top and bringing it down to the middle. You're going to take the strand next to the one that you're holding and cross to the opposite side and place down the one you were originally holding down in the middle, and repeat with all your dough. Once completely braided, you're going to pinch together the ends and fold them under the bread. Place the bread on a baking sheet. Beat an egg until completely smooth. Brush the egg wash over the bread. Let rest for 30 minutes. Brush with the second coat of the egg wash. We're going to bake this in the oven at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 30 minutes. Our challah bread is complete and now you can serve. We hope you enjoy.